Are your ethics grounded in anything that is absolute and ultimate, like God, or not?
No.
Okay, so your ethics have no ultimate reference point or grounding, do they?
Yeah, I guess that would be correct.
Okay, so then your ethics are just whatever spontaneously pops into your head. So why should we care about what spontaneously pops into your head?
Oh, I don't know that people should care about what spontaneously pops into my head.
Okay, well, then it's just a matter of just somebody burping or belching or farting. These are all spontaneous things.
So what Darth basically is saying there, and I've heard him make similar statements many times, he's saying that because someone is either an atheist or an unbeliever, they ultimately cannot justify anything. So why should he be concerned about their opinion? Because after all, it's just equal to either a belch or a fart. Well, okay, I'll buy that. So let's assume that that is actually true. So if that is the case, then my question would be, why would Darth be upset or get all bent out of shape over anything that an atheist or an unbeliever tells him? Because after all, it's just equal to a fart. For example, if his mother walked down the basement stairs and put her keister right in Darth's nose and gave him a nice big fart, that shouldn't even bother him. Okay, now, if that's the case, now let's listen to Darth in a few of these cases. I'm going to play a few clips and decide whether or not you think that these are just something that he's not bothered with.
Okay, stop right there. Stop. You know what stop means? Speaking English? Okay?
Then you
now,
talk a lot.
Proposition as saying that there's a manifestation that implies God.
You just said it did.
Well, okay, you know what? Fuck off. Get out of here. You know what? This is what I can't stand is some of these philosophical types. They're so fucking dishonest.
I don't take all.
So, okay, good. So is there a universal causal principle?
I don't see why there has to be, so no.
Okay, listen to me. Listen. Do you understand how I'm getting agitated with you because you're being dishonest? Okay?